Welcome students, we are going to do now mean value theorem as a topic. The topic comes for 5 marks. Topic has 2 subparts, Rolle's mean value theorem or Lagrange mean value theorem. Okay. Alternately every year one of the other will come. That means if this year comes Rolle's mean value theorem, next year will be Lagrange's mean value theorem will come. Now one precaution, please note this, that theory of this is been taught in the class. What we are going to do here is only a problem solving and how you are going to represent your answer in order to get full marks. Okay. So theory is something which I have already taught to you in class. Okay. So this is how you are going to represent your answer. That's it. Okay. So now let us see one question always will be verify Rolle's mean value theorem or Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x equal to sin 2x in, or some people write on, closed interval 0 comma pi by 2. So let us see the first statement. Okay, first statement will be f of x is continuous in closed interval 0 comma pi by 2, irrespective whether it is not, you don't need to define that it is a trigonometric function or algebraic function or exponential function, no need to write all this. You know what one has to write, f of x is continuous in closed interval a comma b, in this case a is 0, b is pi by 2. Don't forget to write closed interval. The moment you write open interval, you will lose 1 mark here. Next, f dash of x, which is cos 2x into derivative of 2x, which is 2, exists in open interval 0 comma pi by 2. That's the second statement. Again, do not make mistake of writing closed interval here, because if you write closed interval, you are going to lose that marks. Third step is to show your f of a and f of b are equal. In this case, you have to find f of 0. What is f of 0? You are going to substitute x as 0 in the given function. Please note, we are going to substitute x as 0. Please understand, we are finding f of 0. So replace x in 0 in this, which is sine of 2 times of 0, which is sine 0, gives you 0. Next, f of pi by 2. Replace x by pi by 2 here. So you are going to get sine of 2 times of pi by 2, gives you sine pi, which is again 0. Therefore, f of 0 equal to f of pi by 2. So condition 1, 2 and 3 are satisfied. So we are going to write, therefore, all the conditions of Rolle's mean value theorem are satisfied. Therefore, there exists, this is a symbol for there exists, C belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2 such that your f dash of C is 0. Your objective is to solve this equation f dash of C equal to 0. How you are going to do that? What is f dash of C? So you replace x by C in the derivative function, which is here. So that will become 2 cos 2c is 0. You have to solve this, that is cos 2c is 0. Now you tell me when cos value will be 0. So cos value will be 0 when your 2c should be pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 or 5 pi by 2, etc. plus or minus. We are not taking minus in consideration because your interval doesn't have minus. Otherwise, you have to take that. Okay. So therefore, what is the value of C? The value of C will become pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, etc. 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 Now, which value of C you are going to consider? You are going to consider the value of C which lies between 0 and pi by 2, open interval. So which is only 1 here. Therefore, Rolle's mean value theorem is verified. There is a difference between satisfied and verified. Verified at C is equal to pi by 4 belongs to open interval 0 comma pi by 2. Please do not write close interval here, write open interval. So that's the end of it. You are going to get 1 mark for this, 1 mark for this, 1 mark for showing they are equal, 1 mark for writing standard statement and writing this. Next 1 mark is for finding the final answer, that is C. Total 5 mark sums always comes in board exam, one of the easiest topic. Now let us see questions of Lagrange's mean value theorem. So question is verify Lagrange's mean value theorem for f of x equal to 2 sin x plus sin 2x in, or some people write on 0 comma pi. Let me check that. Yep. Okay. First statement as it is, f of x is continuous in closed interval 0 comma pi. Second, f dash of x is, what is the derivative of this fellow? So write 2 cos x plus 2 cos 2x exists in open interval 0 comma pi. Third statement, you have to not show that f of a and f of b are equal, but you have to find f of a and f of b. In this case, your f of 0 is going to be 2 sin 0 plus sine of 2 times of 0 going to be 0. F of pi going to be 2 sine pi plus sine 2 pi, again 0. But it's okay, in this case your Lagrange's theorem, mean value theorem reduces to Rolle's mean value theorem, but don't say that Lagrange's mean value theorem is not verified. Don't say that. Okay, it's okay, they are equal, it's okay. Lagrange doesn't say that they should not be equal. Okay, so right, therefore both the conditions of Lagrange's mean value theorem are satisfied. There exists C belongs to 0 comma pi, that's there, such that f dash of C should be equal to f of pi minus f of 0 over pi minus 0. Please understand students, this is because of the theory which I have taught you in class. Okay. So f dash of C is, in this case, replace x by C here. We are going to get 2 cos C plus 2 cos 2C is equal to f of pi 0 minus 0 over pi minus 0 gives you 0. So you are going to get cos C plus cos 2C is 0 finally. How we are going to solve this? Now something which you have learned in 11th standard topic called trigonometric equation. Cos 2C you are going to write it as formula 2 cos square C minus 1 plus cos C equal to 0. So 2 cos square C plus cos C minus 1 equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in cos C. You are going to solve that as 2 cos square C plus 2 cos C minus cos C minus 1 equal to 0. 2 cos C common, cos C plus 1 minus 1 common, cos C plus 1 equal to 0. Therefore, you get cos C is equal to minus 1 or cos C equal to 1 by 2. Cos C equal to minus will give you answer as pi or minus of pi. So this doesn't lie between 0 to pi. So this doesn't have any solution for this range 0 to pi. We have to write cos C is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, C is equal to pi by 3, I believe, yeah, 60 degree. Okay. So final statement. Therefore, Lagrange's mean value theorem verified at C is equal to pi by 3, which belongs to open interval 0 comma pi. Students, you have to practice the sums, at least three sums of Rolle's and Lagrange's mean value theorem. Do the most difficult sum, and there are more difficult sums which are going to solve in class.